I'm gonna do a quick 1-card pull. Okay. All right. Okay, for the weekend. Ooh. Okay, nature. Let's see. Wait, there you go. Alright. The magician of the forest. Shooting left-handed, he stands tall, drawing back an arrow on his bow. At his feet are forest plants, including the sacred cannabis plant. Uzuzi teaches that plants offer spiritual cleansing through herbal baths, jewelry, and remedies that can show us collectively and individually what the future may hold. His body is sculpted as a hunter and tracker with bright blue accents on his dark melanated skin. The tips of his arrows are blue like lapis lazuli, along with feather atop his head, an entire crown piece that sits with a large lapis on his third eye. Nature will provide symbols at every turn for you to gain more insight. Go into nature and you'll see more signs. Nature wants to guide you in what you eat, what you see, anything nature, okay?